I'm here today with... I'm trying to show it to the camera. Do you not want to be on camera? With this dog. This is Macho. He just woke up from a nap. Stop licking me. Anyways, I'm going to check my dog's IQ. If you do not know what an IQ is, I don't know what IQ is either. We're going to be testing him with little tests and see if he gets them right or not, if he's a dumb dog, a smart dog, or just a dog, you know. You think you're smart? He's a little messed up in the head, but it's okay. The first IQ is if he can get out from under blankets. There you go. Oh my god! You almost fell off the bed. This is Rosy. She's a little bit more smarter than that dog. The next IQ test is if they can find anything in the cup. Find it. Which one? No, don't go to sleep. Watch one. Which one? Well, which one do you think it is? Rosie, you gotta work with me. You're the one that wanted to come in here and join. Find one. Which one do you think it is? Woo! You didn't see that. Go. Which one? Nope. You're wrong. Which? Rosie, please pick and I'll leave you alone. Pick one! Pick one. This is Britney, by the way. Pick one. Y'all get out of her way. She's the spotlight now. Britney, please work with me. Ugh! Okay. Now pick one. Yeah, you got it right. Yes, you were looking at it so soon you got it.